students and welcome to Rishi Computer Education. Today what you are going to learn is CSS List. So let's start with CSS List properties. In HTML we have seen that there are two main types of lists, that is unordered list and ordered list. In unordered list the list items are marked with bullets by default, and in ordered list the list items are marked with numbers or letters. Numbers are by default. So CSS list properties allows you to set different list item markers for ordered list and list item markers for unordered list. You can also set an image as a list item marker, or else you can add background colors to list and list items. So we'll see them one by one. First I'm going to take one example of unordered list. In that I will take list I am taking is HTML, next list I am taking CSS, and last I am taking is JavaScript. Okay, now first property for unordered list I am going to use is list style type. With this you can set the list item marker for your list. So list style type. List style type I want is circle. Okay, value I am giving is circle. Let's save and see the output. Here you can see the list has been created. So first property we saw is list style type. Also we can change this circle, instead of circle I am taking square. Let's see, it has been changed. Next we are going to see is how to add an image to the list item markers. Suppose I want to add one image. So for that I am using property list style image. Okay, list style image is your property, and value you will be giving is URL, and in URL you will give your image name. So image name I am having is bullet2.png. it is already stored in my folder. Okay, let's see the output. Here you can see instead of the square, circle or disk, the image has been displayed. You will have to set the width and height, a proper width and height for that image. So this way the image can be displayed. Next property we are going to see is what is the position, list position. So for that I am copying this same list, and now I am using property list style position. List style position property specifies whether the list item markers should appear inside or outside the content flow. So first I am taking inside, and in next I am taking list position as outside, so that you can see the difference. Let's see the output. Here you can see the difference. First we have given was we gave was inside, and second one was outside. So this way you can manage your list position. Next is suppose I want to style my list. So for that I'll be using some background color padding properties. So here let's style the list. I have used the unordered list with list style type circle. So now I want to style the list. For that I will write UL, and UL background color I'm giving green. I'm giving some padding is 30 pixel. Okay, let's see the output. Here you can see the whole unordered list has set its color to green. Now I want to style the particular list item. So for that I will take UL and LI. Background color I will take as gray. I will also give some padding. Padding I am giving is 20 pixel. Let's see the output. This way you can also style particular list items. Next property we can use is here I am taking list style position. List style position I want is inside. So let's see. Here you can see the circle has been shifted to inside. We will take ordered list example also. I'm copying the same list. Okay, now we'll design oval. Oval background color. Here I'm taking red and position I'll be giving as outside. Same here. Here we can take color as yellow. Let's see the output now. Here you can see oval. Yeah, this is the example of inside and this is the example of outside position. So this way you can also style your list. Next we can also write the shorthand property. Shorthand property is used to set all the list properties in one declaration only. So here I have taken unordered list. Now I want to write the shorthand property for it. So I'll take one property that is list style. Only list style. In that I am taking circle and I want its position as inside and URL I am giving. So URL is for image. Image I am giving my image name. Okay, let's save and see. Okay, this way you can also use the shorthand property and create your list. So based on today's session, I have one assignment for you, that is you have to create an icon menu. Here you can see the example for same. Here I have used the list which consists of home, about, service and contact, and also I have given one icon to each of them. So this way you have to create the list. With this we end up the session. Thank you.